Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great Friday. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are jumping back into Euro USD. Do you remember the other day I said we were looking for an impulsive break past the 1.06 price point? Have we had it? Let's jump right in and see what is going on. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's dive into this chart. So, as we can see, we are sitting on the daily, right? When I posted the first video about this pair a couple of days ago, this candle had literally just broken through this blue zone here with the psychological number of 1.05, right? And we were saying this could be a time to look for a pullback, right, and enter long, but it wouldn't be enough confluence. We needed more. We were also looking at this trend line, which we can see if we had not moved it, looks like it is broken to the upside, right? So it all looks like fun and games. We are good to go long. Let's buy this pair and be done with it. Well, not so quick. If we just adjust this trend line, what if we do this? Right. I mean, this is still completely valid. We can say, right, look, we got one tap there. We wicked up. And now we've wicked up to it here. So who's to say that price isn't going to just now reject off this level and come down? I mean, on the broader time frame, we are making lower lows and lower highs, right? So technically, you could argue this could be a great time to sell because we are at resistance clearly, right? We are at some point where on the chart where the price has been struggling to break, right? Just underneath the 1.06 level. So, and the trend line adds up really nicely to a short sell. So what do? Well, this is why I was saying I wanted an impulsive clean break above the 1.06 level, right? Which is here. Let's call that out for you guys quickly. These levels are very important. This is why we take them into consideration. Right. Price note. Here we go. Let's look for, there we go. Bring the mouse just a little bit lower, just around here. Right there. Okay, so we wanted this level broken. Now we did have an impulsive, beautiful volume candle and volume bar, but we didn't quite get just above this level, right? The trend line for confluence is showing bearish momentum. So, is it too late? Is it too early to jump in short or long? Let's dive into the 4-hour time frame and see what is going on a little bit more clearly. Okay, let me delete this. Right, let's delete this for the time being. Right. We can see that there is our resistance at around the 1.06 mark. We can even make it come down exactly just by doing this. There we go. Right. This is the exact price point which I was looking for us to break if we were looking for long positions. And you can see that if we broken it, it would have taken out that trend line as well. Okay. But now what do we see? On the 4-hour, we do see price making higher highs and higher lows. Okay. So we have some positive bullish momentum. Let's see if this lines up. I think we see some sort of ascending channel. Right, we can look at something like this, right? But this is all lining up still at the top of this trend line and at the top of that 1.06 price resistance price point. The pattern that we are forming on the 4-hour looks like it could be some sort of flag, although I do not like these wicks over here and here. If we were going to have some sort of flag, I'm going to remove this price point for now. I would be looking for a break from where we are, right? Past this, which again takes us past the 1.06 price point. I would then be looking for a reversal to the top of the pattern, and I would then be looking to carry this pair longer. However, we are in this ascending channel. So there is not much space for us to move. That does not mean that it cannot happen. It just means that I'm looking for further bits of confluence to enter. So at the time being, I see no reason to jump in long, and I see no reason to sell because our buying volume is still very much intact. It's still very strong, and we can clearly see that price is trying to break out of this daily trend line and trying to get above this 1.06 price point and close above it. So right now we're right at resistance. I do not recommend buying or selling anything, right, if we are at major points of resistance. I always like to see a clear break, then a retrace, and then examine my options then. So as it stands for the time being on Euro USD, nothing at the moment. If you are wondering why we are missing these moves going up, well, in my strategy, and you guys know I love the order blocks, I also enjoy patterns, I saw no reason to jump in. Nothing. The last time we got in was around here where we did have that order block set up right there, which I did take. But yes, I got out at 1 to 4 risk to reward, right? Which is fine. It looked like there could have been another one here. However, we did not have the retrace right over here. But you can see price did not come back down to collect any more orders from this area, which is fine. Like I said, not every order block will hit. And right now, like I've said, we are wall to wall with resistance here and this daily trend line. Let's jump back to the daily. Yep. Let's delete these markers over here. So this is why I say there's nothing at the moment that is enticing me to jump in. So let's keep watching this. It is a Friday, right? So maybe on Monday's open, when the markets do open, we should get some action, whether it is bearish or bullish. Price clearly wants to break this level, and it has been a long time of price going down continually. So let's keep an eye out. And on that note, I bid you all a very happy weekend. Please remember to trade safe out there, and please remember to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. And I will most definitely be seeing you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.